Good day, everybody. John Steyer Flooring here at Hawkeye Community College. 10-week floor covering installation training, and we've got the team behind me here. We got them. We're putting seams together, and we're going to put a lot of them together today. Let's check them out. All right, I got Charity over here sealing the seam. Charity, what's that sealer called?
Not hot glue.
Not hot glue. It's got a nice fancy name.
Yeah, the tactical seam reinforcement together.
I love that one. We're going to call it thermoplastic, but I like yours better. Binda's, he's hanging out. We got Patrick over here. He's got his seam just about ready. Big Boss, the supervisor. He's big boss. He's getting ready to put, he's going to use the Kool glide. Got Claude back here. He's getting ready for his turn. Espar, he's getting ready to seam seal. And we've got the one and only Mr. Hunt, Hollywood Hunt. How we doing, buddy?
Doing good.
He's getting his seam sealer on too. So we're going to be burning seams all day. The idea of this exercise is I did a little demonstration with the two different methods using conventional iron and then the Kool glide, and I want them to just get used to the tool. So we're just having them cut a piece of carpet off, seam it back together, cut a piece of carpet off, seam it back together. The second part of the exercise, they're going to actually cut seams, and they're going to switch carpet back and forth. So his piece, he'll cut a piece off, switch it over to Patrick's. He'll cut a piece off, and they'll switch carpet around so we can make it as realistic as possible. But we all know that seaming 3-foot chunks of carpet is difficult, but this is all about gaining experience, gaining some familiarity with the tools. But hey, like always, stay tuned. These guys are knocking it out of the park. By next week, we should be able to put some of these modules together, have them power stretching a room to get rooms, have them putting seams in their modules together, then power stretching them. So big things happening. All right, so my friend Claude here, Big Claude. I want to show you his seam here. This is amazing. It's the second one. First one with the conventional iron. Here we go. Okay, right there he's a little loose, but see, this is how I know. Look how well this is fused together. How he welded that seam together right there. And that's telling me with this right here, how it's pulling, those yarns are pulling over. He's got that thing sealed A-okay. So Mrs. Jones just gave you an A+.
Good, big Claude. Look at that. The supervisor giving 9 points.
Supervisor even likes it.
Yeah, giving 9. 9+.
9+?
Yeah.